Hello, all is well, everyone. Welcome back to my class part 5. So, we will be discussing the further topics and further questions. These all are very important regarding GATE examination as well as any competitive examination. The distance between 2 points A and B on a plan was found to be 200 meter with a refractive fraction of 1 by 1000. The distance between same points with an RF of 1 by 500 will be what? We have to find. So first we know that what is representative fraction? Representative fraction is the distance on map. So I'm writing map D. You should understand map distance by ground distance. So what is map distance by ground distance? It is given as 1 by 1000 firstly. And the distance between plan. So on the plan, that is in the plan means map distance. So map distance is given as 200 meters. So substitute there 200 by ground distance is equal to 1 by 1000. From it you can find the ground distance. When you cross multiply, you will get the answer 200 into 1000, that is 2 lakh meter is the ground distance. So we got the value of the ground distance. Now they are asking what is the distance between same point with the refractive fraction of 1 by 500. So again we have to understand what is representative fraction. Representative fraction is 1 by 500 given, that is equal to map distance by ground distance. Now this 1 by 500 is equal to, what is map distance? That we have to find. They are asked what is the distance between same points. So map distance we have to find out, divided by what is ground distance. Ground distance we have just now found the value, it is 2 lakh. So from here only you can cancel it. 0, 0 and 2 zeros cancelled. Then 5, how many times? 5 fours are 20. Then balances. So we will get the answer of map distance is equal to 400 meters. So you will understand this is also a perfect MCQ question. That is, when the refractive fraction is became half, the distance is doubled. The distance is doubled. This is an important MCQ examination question actually. Next one, a rectangular plot in plan is 10 centimeter by 30 centimeter. Now here the area is given. Instead of map distance, it is given the area. Map area is given of plan, because this is a map area drawn to a scale of 1 centimeter is to 100 meter. So what is the RF there? 1 centimeter is to 1 centimeter is equal to 100 means 1 by 100, and you have to make it also into meter. So 1 by 10,000 is the RF here. If the same plot is redrawn on a topo sheet to a scale of 1 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer. In this case, what will be the RF? RF is equal to 1 centimeter by kilometer. How many meter? 1000 meter. Then that meter, how many centimeter? Yes, 1 lakh. So this is 1 by 10,000 and this is 1 by 1 lakh is the refractive indexes of both cases. What would be the area of the topo sheet in centimeters per we have to find. So first, same way, what is our RF? In the first case, they have given the RF as 1 by 10,000. 1 by 10,000 is equal to map area divided by ground area. So the same 1 by 10,000 is equal to, what is the map area? It is given there 10 into 30 divided by ground area. So we have to find the ground area here. So what will be the ground area? When you cross multiply, you will get the answer 10 into 30 into 10,000. So you will get the answer. So 3 into 10 raised to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You get the answer. 3 into 10 raised to 6 meter square you will, centimeter square you will get. This is the ground area of the first case. By inserting it, you have to find the mapped area in which our RF is 1 lakh. So what we will do next? So second case, we are going to insert what is RF 1 by 1 lakh is equal to map area divided by what is the ground area now obtained, 3 into 10 raised to 6. Here it is 10 raised to 5 and here it is 10 raised to 6. So obviously this 5 zeros will cancel and we will have only 1 zeros left here. So what is the map area actually? The map area will be 30 centimeter square. So this is the answer. So same way only, first question we have done the same way only the second question also. The plan of an area has shrunk 10 centimeter originally and now measured it is 9.5 centimeter. So we have discussed regarding shrunk factor one problem before. So what will be the shrunk factor? I said before also. Shrunk factor will be what is the current original. Now what is the current length? That is 9.5 divided by what was the length? 10. So what will be the answer? 0.95 will be the shrunk factor. If the original scale of the plan was 1 centimeter is equal to 10 meters. So what is the scale there? They said 1 centimeter is 10 meter. That is 1 is to 1000. That is 1 is to 1000 is the scale actually. So what is the correct distance corresponding to a measure of 190 meter they are asking. So what do you have to do? Correct length or correct distance. Before also we have done. So the distance now we will divide with the shrunk factor. That is 190 we are going to divide with the 0.95. So when you divide it, so as two decimals are there, we can multiply by 100 and you know this calculation. Multiplied by 100. So you will get 19,000 divided by 95. So obviously as it is the double, we know that it is 200 into 2 and 0. So 200 meter is the correct length obtained. Next question. This is just a description and conventional sign. Mostly it will be asked in the MCQ related questions, PSCs or GATE examination. So this is a symbol for north. And single line railway it is mostly represented by this line, and temple it is represented by this figure, and road bridge is represented by a narrow width like this. So this is mostly important. That is why I just noted here. Next question is a plan of an area drawn with an original scale 1 is to 1 centimeter is equal to 10 meter has shrunk. That a line originally 15 centimeter long on the plan measures now 14.5. So I said several times shrunk factor. Just now also we have done that problem. Shrunk factor we have to understand that what is the current length now, that is 14.5 divided by what is that 15. So as it is decimal we can just multiply by 2 and multiply by 2. We can just I just wanted to remove this decimal, that is why. So it will be 29 by 30. Okay, so if you divide 29 by 30, so I want to express this as a scale actually. So if I am dividing 30 by 29, I will get 29 ones are 29, then the balance is 1, then point, then 0, it is not sufficient, so 0 again, 0, then 29 threes are 87, then again the balance 13, 0, 4. So it will be, I can express as, I want to express as 1 is to what? Because already the scale is given 1 centimeter is equal to 10 meter. That is what is the scale there? 1 is to 10, then again 0, 0. So 1 is to 1000 is the original scale actually. So what it will become? 1 is to 1.034. So same way this is given now 1 is to 1000. Instead of that I got 1 is to 1 1.034 actually. So I can just multiply this because this is saying, so I will just multiply this. So 1.034 multiplied by 1000 will be what? 1034 centimeter, because all measurements given here are centimeter. We already have made it into 1 centimeter form. So 1034, that is 1034 centimeter is equal to what? 10.34 meter. Actually, this was happened because I want it 1:2, because I want the sun scale in 1 centimeter to what ratio. That is why I have made this. Next question. Length of a line measured with a 20-meter chain was found to be 634.4 meter. If the chain was 5 centimeter too long throughout the measurement, what is the true length? We have studied true length is wrong scale by correct scale into measured length. So, what is the wrong scale here? Actually, the chain is 20 meter, but 5 centimeter too long it was. So, we can say that 20 plus 5, 20 meter and 5 centimeter. We cannot add it in a different scale. So, we will make this 5 centimeter into meter. 5 centimeter is what? Divided by 100, 0.05 meter. So, 20 plus 0.05 divided by, what is the correct? For correct length is what? 20. On scale measurement, that is 20 plus 0.05. Correct scale measurement, that is 20. Multiplied by what is the measured length, it is given it as 634.4. So when we do 20.05 divided by 20 multiplied by 634.4. Okay. So when you do this cancellation part, you will get the answer 635.986 meter actually. And this type of question, it is related with GATE because or IES examination also. This type of question can be asked because these all are the calculations can be done only on calculator. So if it is asked in the PSC, it will be given a very easy question which you can cancel it at the moment because their calculation you cannot take. Calculator you cannot take it with you. Next MCQ is, which survey is employed for collecting sufficient data in connection with sewage disposal and water supply works? This is very, very important. Everybody will be writing that it is a hydrographic survey, but it is not. Sewage disposal and water supply works, every time, mostly it is asked, and the answer is cross-sectioning and profile leveling. It is very, very important. Mostly it is asked. Cross-sectioning and profile leveling. Next question. In which conditions require geodetic survey? We have studied regarding geodetic surveying. So in which condition? Horizontal curve ranging or vertical curve ranging or survey of India or reconnaissance survey. This reconnaissance survey and all are the surveys which are conducted for less precise works. Okay. So which is the correct answer? Geodetic surveying means overall we are going to take in India at the survey of India. So this is required for surveying India. So this is the answer. Next, precision means used in the instrument. We know that while doing our survey works, what adjustments we are doing for getting the perfection, that is called precision. And by doing that, what accuracy we have obtained, that is called the accuracy. So that is the difference between precision and accuracy. So one is used in instrument and second, accuracy means what we have obtained. That is the actual difference. This is very much important. You can understand just thinking by taking the difference of used in instrument and obtained. Only that is the difference. So thank you everyone. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you for the all support. And if you liked my video, please click the like button nearby. And if you want the upcoming videos will be containing more problems related with surveying, and also we have to do more problems related with chain. So before that, we have to deal with some theoretical things related with chain and tape, instruments used for chain and different types of chain, tape, errors. So after that, we will be discussing more questions, problems related with GATE as well as IES and also PSCs. So please like my channel. Thank you very much.